So, okay, let me just start. So this is the program page of metagenomics data analysis. And as you can see that the program is going to commence from next week, Thursday, that is 22nd of September. Now, if I'll scroll down, you can see a program overview, which will tell you why this particular program is designed, what all things and aspects we'll be covering in this program about, like, for example, operational taxonomic units, then functional bacterial community, data to pipelines, kind pipelines, etc. And further, if you scroll down, you can see an interactive session where there are few dates highlighted. So which means that on these particular dates, the session will be conducted either asynchronous or live sessions would be there. So that would be like we will mailing you out about each session. On the right hand side, you can see the curriculum of the program, the topics per each session. That is, for example, the first session, that is on 22nd, it is on Introduction to Metagenomics, where we'll be covering the 16S metagenomic sequencing. Then Introduction to NGS for metagenomic sequencing, overview of the tools and resources for this program. And then there are some associated online resources per session. When you'll scroll down, you can see the second session title, the topics we'll be covering, and then again the associated online resources. And same goes on for the third session. After the third session, there will be an in-depth hands-on project example, which will be on American gut and human microbiome variability. And the topics which we'll be covering is related to gut-brain axis microbiome and behavior, use of small subunit 16S RNA for identification of microorganism, metagenomics data to chow versus HFT, etc. And then there are few associated online resources. So here you can see the comprehensive curriculum which we have developed for this metagenomic data analysis program. If you scroll down further, you can see 3 different tenures for which you can enroll for. The 3 different tenures are, one is of 45 days, 60 days, and then 90 days. The common resources which are there, which are applicable for all 3 tenures, are online tutorials, project examples, coding sessions, session recordings, online mentor support via our Skype groups or Telegram groups, online technical support, then certificate after completion of the program, and example cloud pipelines on T-Bioinfo server. So these are some of the common resources which you'll get away. Now, what's the difference between the 3 tenures? So in 45 days, you will be going through with an extensive training, right? In 60 days, you have an opportunity. With the extensive training, you can work on your research proposal and present it to our mentor for evaluation and feedback. And other than that, you have an opportunity of one-on-one mentor sessions. In 90 days, you have an opportunity to work on an independent research project with extensive training. And again, one-on-one mentor sessions are there. So the outcome for 60 days program would be poster presentation in Omics Research Symposium or any other international conference. And the outcome for the 90 days tenure is the research publication in a good peer-reviewed journal. So this was a brief about the program resources, the fee structure. Okay, so now you can see here the fee. Here you can see, like, on the right top corner, there is a flag and a drop-down menu. If you'll click on that, you can see there are different currencies according to different country or location. So according to your location, you can choose your currency. For now, right now, I'll be opting for USD in dollars. So the fee for 45 days is $150. For 60 days, it's $300, and for 90 days, it's $450. And obviously, we are giving scholarships to those who are like those are in financial aid or something. So we will be giving scholarships. So you can mail us at marketing@omicslogic.com. So I'll be just writing the mail ID here in the chat box, and you can mail us for further queries or scholarships. So this was a brief about the curriculum, the structure, program structure, the fee structure, and the resources. Now I could see that there is a quite discussion going on in the chat box regarding team and the hackathon, and so I'll quickly navigate you or walk you through the landing page of the hackathon. So we are really very excited to launch our hackathon that is on theme microbiome in health and wellness. And so this hackathon, like, it will bring together innovative ideas from biotechnology and the intersection of genomics, business, and computer science. So here, the students, the researchers across the globe will, like, they'll have an opportunity to broaden their horizons by meeting different people, meeting experts from commercial experts or academic experts or research experts, and having their valuable feedback and brainstorming with them, etc. So we'll be in some duration, we'll be rolling out mails, and we'll be publishing on our social media platforms on LinkedIn, then Instagram or Facebook or Twitter about this hackathon. So the theme of the hackathon revolves around.
Sorry, it looks like the screen is not shared for the hackathon page.
Okay, I'm okay. So I'll just stop sharing my screen and I'll share it again. Just a moment. Okay, so now is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, perfect. So as I was saying that we are quite excited to launch our hackathon. That is that the title of the hackathon is on microbiome in health and wellness. Soon we'll be rolling out some mails and publishing on our social media handles about the hackathon, how you can register further for the hackathon. So the hackathon, the hackathon will get start from commence from November 1, and it will end on November 28. So the 3 weeks, like from November 1 till November 22, there will be some workshops going on for weekly basis, and the categories for those workshop will be developing cutting edge technologies. It will include omics and microbiome, metagenomic sequencing, then talks related to bioinformatics, recommendation, etc. Week 2 workshop will be related to human microbiome diet and supplement, where we including talks related to gut microbiome, health and diet, skin microbiome, beauty, comfort and aging, and also vaginal microbiome, pregnancy and femtech. And the third week will be devoted to computer science and machine learning, where we'll be learning about the infrastructure for computational analysis, tool, methods, and algorithm, data visualization, and user experience. So talking about the team costing, this particular hackathon, like, students can participate in group of 3, minimum 3 or maximum 5, right? And you can make group either like your colleagues or your peers from same university, or maybe from same industry, or you can even connect via LinkedIn. As I could see, one of the participant was asking for, like, who is like interested in teaming up with her. So that's a great idea. By this you can broaden your horizon and like spread more routes into different networking people, etc. So now the costing for individual student is $100. If you'll come in a group, then it's $300 per group, a group 3 to 5 students. And we have some special discounts for our partner university, so it is $100 per group, which include 3 students in the group. So this was a brief about the hackathon, and the registration, everything we'll be disclosing soon. So you will be getting mails, you will be seeing social post on our social media handles. So if further you have any query related to hackathon or related to the registration part of the metagenomics data analysis program, please feel free to put your queries in the chat box and I'll be here to answer. Thank you.
So Sparsh, there is one query that is, can all these links and email be mailed to our registered emails?
Yes, definitely. So once this, we'll be mailing you out the session recordings as well as all these links, like the program page link, which I just showed you related to metagenomic data analysis, and the hackathon page link as well to your registered email address.
Then we have another query that is, please share the recorded version of the webinar or training. I missed part of it.
Yeah, sure. So we'll be rolling out the recorded version of this webinar tomorrow. And please do check your promotional and spam folders, because sometimes mails land up in